Hello, my name is Luke, and we are doing homework assignment 7, which uses JavaScript. Basically, these are all the things that I used in my JavaScript. The first one was right as the page loads in, you're supposed to display a message called hello world. Then we had to create two variable types, either a constant or a let, because a variable does not work correctly sometimes when trying to download the whole thing. Then we had to make a function, which is basically just the greeting, and you're supposed to do hello, my name is, and I have constant, welcome to my portfolio. So it's supposed to greet you. It's supposed to put this in the HTML file. And then this basically just means when the page loads in on Windows, it's going to show the greeting message, which is a div, and then it's going to put it, this is the class name, which basically just means that you can just style it, but I haven't messed with that yet. And then this is just basically saying that it's trying to find it in the main content right here. And then right here we're just saying that greeting messages also equals the function show greeting name. And then right here we're saying greeting.inner HTML, which is basically it's just applying this into your HTML that's not already in your HTML, and it's basically saying it's putting the greeting message right here in an H2 format, and then it's right here it's basically saying that it's just inserting before the first child of the first div in the main. And then when we go down here, we also talked about the download resume button. So basically what we're saying is we had to put an ID in the HTML called download resume, and then it finds it in here by using the get element ID. And then when the user clicks on it, it applies the function event, which is that's just what it's called. It's just called event. And then you don't have to put anything there, but sometimes you can. But basically we put a Boolean type right here where it's saying if has downloaded resume is false, which it is right now because we haven't technically clicked it. It alerts this, and then it makes it true. So that means the second time they click on it, it's not going to show this alert because it's already true, and it won't go back to false no matter what, unless you reload the page. And then the last part, it wanted us to make a deadline under the projects thing, which basically said a deadline to your final project, which is December 2nd when it's officially due. And so this is basically just the math for it. Right here, it may just go to a different website to learn more about it. But basically, we go to the homework, you'll see that I got days till the deadline. I did the show greeting, I did the let constant string variable name, and a Boolean thing for the download resume, and then I did all this. So when you go to my page and you reload it, you'll see that it shows the greeting right here, because look, when you reload it, it's not there for a split second, which means that it's put in from the JavaScript. But anyway, that's that one part. And then when you go down here, you'll see when you download it, it'll show you have downloaded successfully. And then when you do it multiple times, it doesn't alert it anymore. And then right here under projects, you'll see ongoing project website redesign, which is basically just your final project. And it says deadline December 2nd, 2024, days remaining 48, which it's kind of technically 49. But 48 days of working on it, and it's due in 49 days. So, yeah, that should be everything for the JavaScript. It was really easy. I didn't really have any struggling, except for the fact that we didn't get taught about the like certain things in JavaScript. We just got taught like what certain code is, but we weren't taught like how to apply it. Like the add event listener, that wasn't a thing. That wasn't in our thing. I had to look it up. But besides that, it was pretty easy.